Hello everyone, today's video is about emojis and stickers. These are from 1999, created in Japan. That's horrible. Today's video is about iMessages and how to use emojis and stickers. Go into more detail on that. Let's go.
Tech You Can.
Hi, I'm Alfonso Ribeiro from the hit show The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air from the 90s. No, that's not right. Hey everyone, it's Joseph Anthony for Tech You Can, and as I mentioned, today is about iMessages. So basically, iMessages are for iPhones only. It's the VIP messaging service. So basically, to use it, you want to be using an iPhone 5 up, so 5S, 5C, all the way up to iPhone 7. And then for iPads, you want to be using iPad mini second generation to the fourth generation, and the iPad fourth generation up into iPad Pro, the iPod sixth generation only. That's the only one. So basically, I'm going to select text messages on the top left, and I'm going to just message myself because I don't want to be blowing up anyone else's phone. I don't know if the kids still say that. I don't know. I'm old. So I'm going to go and select myself, and these are just text messages I have tested. And basically, you want to just tap on the bottom there, the little box for iMessages. Should be blue and the little icon for the microphone, which I'll get to. Actually, it's blue when you text. So you're just going to message whatever you want to message, whatever you want to talk about. It's up to you. I'm going to talk about Santa here because it's Christmas time and I'm in the Christmas spirit. My Santa hat is actually in the dry cleaner. But anyway, so on the bottom right, I'm going to use the smiley face I just tapped for emojis. So emojis are smiley faces, as you can see, like varies. There's so many that you can kind of get lost in them. So you just want to tap the message out, and there you go. It could be anything. So there we go. I'm not that fast of a text messenger. Some people use a swipe keyboard, but I'm old school, but I fast forward. And then there's the numbers for symbols and stuff there. So then when you tap on the emoji icon again, icon on the bottom right, it'll turn orange. And if you tap, it like turns into that icon, and it'll give you suggestions for that icon, which is kind of cool. So tap, 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 tap your way to emojis. There we go. And this one gave me two kinds of foxes. I like the classic orange fox, so I selected that one. And let's see here, and just tap the other ones, and it'll create, and it'll change them for you, which makes it easier. And then you just tap the blue arrow to send. And it's sending twice because I'm messaging myself. You can also hold down that microphone, and that's what I'm doing right here, and it kind of records for you what special message you want to send to your mother. You should really text your mother or call her. And if you want to cancel, you can hit the X next to the wave link, or if you want to send, you would swipe up. You can also listen to it before you send it. So if you hold down on the text, you can either double tap or hold down to get these, quick kind of responses, as well as some options if you want to copy or delete. And then you can also share or send them if you want to send them, forward a text to somebody. So that's a little bit on that. And holding down again, you get those same options. And then if you tap on the little right arrow, you get these other three options. The A is for like sticker applications that you can use, which I really, really love and enjoy using. So we're gonna start with that. And I love the Mickey Mouse ones, they're really cool. But if you swipe left or right, you'll get your other options. This one's kind of a cool artist. It says at the bottom, it lets you know which stickers you selected. This one's Mario Run, which is an amazing game. Everyone should play it. It's definitely, I think, worth the $10. People are like, oh my god, $10. But it's Mario, and he's in a new world on the iPhone, which I really love. It's very addicting. And here's some more options that you have. You can also send GIFs. Officially, the creator of GIFs calls it GIFs. And you just tap on the top, and you can actually search by word to find a GIF. I'm looking for excited, and I'm gonna go and select Joel McHale, who's hilarious. Hercules. I say Hercules, Hercules. He's really cool. So you can also Shazam. There's also, Tumblr. And this is the screen on the bottom right. You press the little 4 squares, and it gets you you can get to your stickers quicker. There's a plus symbol that gets you to the sticker store. Say that 5 times fast. And to be perfectly honest, the ones that you pay for are actually a little bit better because they put more into the stickers. I mean, the Mickey ones I purchased for I think $1.99, and they're cute, but they don't really give you that much, to be honest. I mean, they give you maybe 15 or 20 stickers, but it's Mickey, and of course, we all know Disneyland, they like their monies, like to just make it rain on them. So there's a Donald Duck, and you can either tap and send it, or what I'm doing here is I'm holding down and moving it to where you like, and it's going to turn gray. See how it's gray right there on the screen? That's how you know it's going to stick. The sticker will stick. And once it sticks, you can't unstick it. So stick it somewhere you want to stick it. Yeah. So I put it there, and if you want, you can actually, while you're holding it, you want to pinch out. You can make it bigger. So that's why Mickey got a little bigger there. And yeah, that's some stickers here. I accidentally put that one, but I'm going to put it away. And oops, I did it again. So yeah, that's kind of cool. You can also put them on the gift, or you can put stickers on your face and make yourself look silly, because everyone likes to look silly. So yeah, that's a little bit on the stickers. And also next, we're gonna go ahead and go to the option in the middle, which is kind of to draw or just send tap heartbeats or a fireball. If you tap the right there, it brings up the list and explains it basically. This is really actually a little too sensitive. I pretty much don't really use this too much because I end up sending a bunch of them, because once you draw, if you kind of mess up, it'll send. And then you're like, oh, let me do that again. And you end up sending a bunch of them. So you have the hearts, the fireball, and it explains it all right there. To do kisses, you tap twice, which is always good for your significant other. I kind of use that. And there's the heart, which I meant to stay as a heart, but it turned into a fireball. This is another thing why I don't really care for it. See how it's sending all of these kind of swipe drawings, if you will. It's kind of like a Snapchat-esque. So I'm drawing a little flower. It is kind of neat. I mean, for people that want to spend the time in drawing, it's really, I think it's cute, and it's something a little different. I'm sure there's an app out there that's probably like it, but Apple has their own version of it now. So I drew a little flower, and I just wanted to let you all know that I love you. I love you all. And so you just go ahead and stop, and then it'll send. I also do video, so you can draw on video. You tap on the red button right there, and it'll record 10 seconds. So again, kind of like Snapchat, you have 10 seconds to draw, and once you send it, it'll draw as you sent it on the video, which is kind of neat. You can also draw on photos, which I'm going to show you in a bit. Let's see here, and see how it's drawing the last one. And so you can go ahead and tap on the camera, and it'll give you either the camera to draw with, like if you want to create a video, or you have your photos on the right. I'm going to select my best friend in the world. Her name is Baby. She's right here. She's actually laying down. She's my supervisor. She works effortlessly. We work effortlessly for these videos. So you can tap on the text on the bottom to text, and you want to tap on the word text to enter your text, which sounds confusing, but it's really simple. And so you can write little messages, and I put my angel baby because she's my little angel. You can also draw if you tap on the little drawing symbol, and there's different colors. Right there, I drew her little halo because I can see her halo. And yeah, it's a good way to kind of get creative and not just, send just a normal picture. You can get a little artsy and put a little magnifying glass if you want. Excuse me. So yeah, that's that. can send it with the blue arrow, and it sends it. And iMessages is cool because you get everything like instantaneously, which I really like. And then if you swipe all the way to the left, you have the option to open camera in full effect or your photo albums, which I selected there. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and send a photo this way. For an example, I'm gonna just go ahead and go to all photos, and then I'm gonna select the Mario screenshot I did, because it really is a great game. I love that game. And you can actually just send it like that. Boop, bloop. Yeah, so it's a good way to share photos versus with, I don't know, I feel like with people with Androids, it's kind of like it takes a little bit longer to get the photo, and this is a lot quicker. So you can double tap on a photo if you want to just like it or what have you. So next, on the top right, I'm going to photos and send a photo. And you can use photos with effects. So you want to hold down the blue arrow, and it gives you selections there to scream it, shout it, work it out it. I just wanted to rhyme. I like to rhyme. And I really like the kind of invisible ink. And if you send it to someone like that, they'll have to swipe to see it. Then at the top right, you get the screen effects, as I'm showing you here. I like that they add the heart and the kind of sparks. That's really cool. I like the sparks. And you actually, if you have an iPhone 7, you actually feel it. You feel like these little tingle like vibrations as the effects are kind of popping. And I think it's really cool. It's very little, but a little thing, but it's kind of cool. So yeah, just, you know, change it up once in a while. Get crazy. So let's see here. The next thing, I love that dog. It's so funny. Next thing is the eye at the top right. That gets you to the screen where you get the photos, the past photos you sent, GIFs, GIFs. You get other options as well for the contact. You can, you know, send them your location if you tap that. And you can also send them your, you know, you can, what does that say? Oh, share my location. I can't see with this light in my eyes. Send my current location. You can click do not disturb here. If you have like those group conversations and they're texting too much, you can turn that off, so that way you can just have some peace and quiet for just a moment. Though I love my friends, the like 3 I have, and our group conversations. You can send recipients, look at the contact information to FaceTime, what have you. And there, I just sent the location as an example. Anyway, so basically that's iMessages. I love you for watching. Let me know if you have any requests. All right, thank you guys for watching the video about iMessages, and please share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel, please. It means a lot. All right, bye out there in YouTube land. Bye. Say bye, baby. She says bye. Okay.